Several days ago, after a lot of earthquakes which shook the ground, we had a swarm of the earthquakes which, like a shaking of a ketchup, released the magma under the surface to move the same way that the ketchup moves. They're more like probably Tabasco sauce because both of them are hot. The Grindavik Rift Valley was like this. We had the phreatic eruptions because of the rainwater. Because of all of this, the Blue Lagoon, which is now practically the most famous spa, hotel, restaurant facility in the world, had to close. And in a few days' time, even after 24 hours, you could notice the situation calmed down relatively. We have now the eruption concentrated around the K1 old crater and a few fissures to the north of it. Gas pollution was a problem, but now because of the wind direction toward the east, Blue Lagoon is actually safer than before. You can see, and it stays for a while like that, it seems. Although this is, for example, from the Friday, we have now, in Sunday, you can see the difference. The result is that the Blue Lagoon is open. They've worked hard with the local authorities, and they closed it. They have now gas sensors all around the place. These are AI images, of course. So no matter how many people, who actually are not going there anyway, make jokes about the Germans being cooked in the Blue Lagoon or anything like that, German tourists, which is a sick joke in a way, I think. But Blue Lagoon is going to be opened. This is the biggest facility of its kind, and people are going to enjoy it. No matter what we say, they will book and go there. Any country with such a facility would see it as the biggest asset of themselves. And Iceland is lucky to have this. And there are many similar facilities around the Iceland using the hot water springs that is there. And this one is now becoming world famous because of this all this publicity and the eruption of the volcanoes near and around it. And there is a reason for that, because risk assessment practically shows that the risk in the area to the west side of this eruption site, which is now smaller now, is only due to the gas pollution. And at the moment, the gas pollution is toward the east, away from the Blue Lagoon and the Svartsengi volcanic system.